Today I will show you how to keep the attention of your audience using just these two features. Watch until the end so that you'll be able to create those interesting presentations, whether you're going to pitch your project or to teach your lesson. This tutorial is for you. You're going to add animations and transitions to your presentation. And this is how you're going to do it. To add animations, you'll click on the object to which you want to add that animation. Animation simply refers to the movement of objects in your slide. It can be text, it can be a chart, it can be an image. So those movements can keep grabbing the attention of your audience so that they don't get off track. So to add animations, you're going to click on the object to which you want to add the animation and then click animations. You have a list of animations from which you can choose here. But if the one you want to add is not there, then click this arrow that points down. You'll see different groups of animations that you can add, and that is entrance, emphasis, and then exit. For now, I want to add a floating animation to my text. Okay, yeah, that is how it behaves. Now we are going to add a transition. Transitions are movements that are added to the slides so that a shift from one slide to another is smooth. So how do we do that? Click on the slide to which you want to add the transition and then click transitions. A list of transitions that you can add will appear here in the toolbar, in the tools here. So if the one you want to add is not there still, you'll just simply click on this arrow pointing down, and PowerPoint will list for you all those transitions that are available in the in PowerPoint. So we have subtle, we have exciting, we have dynamic content. For now, let's use this origami, which is an exciting one. Yeah. Yes, that's how it looks like. So let's run the slideshow to test how this will look like when you're presenting. Okay, that is origami. Exciting, isn't it? Yes, that is an animation, which is the floating that we added. If you want more such tech tutorials, please don't forget to like this video and then subscribe so that you never miss out any of my tutorials. Let's meet in the next one.